And my topic is, let me see if I can read it off so I don't misquote it. The frightening truth you are avoiding video. Yeah, we're going to have fun today. I know I've been off for a while. Part of that, I was at conference for 10 days at the end of August. And a little bit before that, I was preparing to go to conference and teach a class. And also, I've just had stuff going on. I have to kind of apologize for being a little distant this summer. But the reason is, in April, my sister, well, they call her the miracle woman whenever she goes back to the hospital because she should have died. And she should have died like 3 times. And since April, she has been either in hospitals or in nursing home care until last Thursday. And the only reason then why they sent her home was because her Medicare period ran out and she had to go home. And that's kind of dicey because she still can't walk. She can't move around without someone lifting and moving her. And her husband's at home, but he had to have all the toes removed on one foot a couple of years ago from diabetes and an infection. So he's not so stable on his feet either. But they've done everything they can to prepare themselves at home. And that's where she is right now. A lot of her other health problems haven't come to a conclusion just because the other health issues that put her in the hospital and nearly killed her have not been completely resolved. They're still trying to get the correct meds to her. So between that happening, my mother's dementia has deteriorated some in the last few months also. And it's probably partly because of what's been going on with my sister. So trying to go and support them, also making sure my mom gets over to visit her. I have to take her and I have to close up my business to do that. I've reduced my business hours, and that also means creating hours. So, and I don't regret doing that. I'm just letting you know what the heck's going on. And it's not that I'm trying to ignore you all. It's just there's some personal things that have to be seen to. And that's really where I'm headed. So I'm going to continue working with everybody, learning and teaching about blogging and social media the way I do it. I'm not the expert, but I know what works for me. And we're going to pick this up and keep going again. I had to take that little break, but now I'm pretty much back. I don't know if I'll have as much as I did before until some of her issues are cleared up, but we're going to keep going. Some stuff that's going on with me. I have a new book in the works. The new books were written, but I don't have all the images done quite yet. So I'm still working on that. My current book, Weight Loss Epiphany, the workbook, I have a new edition ready for that. But there's still a little more work to do on, I've had to move the forms out of the book and onto my website. I don't have those forms completed yet, so I cannot release the new edition until I have that done. So I have some things that are nearly done, just almost done. And you all know I wanted to open the coaching club months ago, but because of these issues in the fam, just couldn't do it. So bear with me. We're gonna get it all done, and I am working on that diligently in the background. Haven't forgotten you. I know 2019 is coming up, and we all want to plan for that. Me too. I have plans for next year. Really cool plans, I hope. And so let's see. Let's get to our video. All right. The frightening truth you are avoiding video. Hi, I'm Angie from AngieJHernandez.com. I help entrepreneurs create a profitable blog and experience the excitement of success. I'm the host of the Smart Cookies Hub, a free Facebook group for smart entrepreneurs who want help with a blog. Now, I was the one that always had my eyes closed during photos. And there's no digital then, so you had to wait until the film was developed to see the bad picture. Yeah, no do-overs. Sometimes I did have my eyes open, but then it seemed like I'd be caught in some kind of goofy expression. But before we get going today, I want to tell you about my Pretty and Smart roadmap. It's my outline of exactly what I do to plan my blogging and online business. The same system that I used to double my business last year. And I'm on track to beat those numbers again. And you can have it free when you go to angiejhernandez.com/roadmap. Now, when I realized I would have to start making video for my business, I choked. Seriously? I wasn't young or model-like. I had this goofy face on the camera thing. How could I possibly be making a video that anybody would want to watch? I'm noticing a lot of you are winding up your internet presence to grow your business. You need some video to do that. I'm totally sensing your pushback on this issue. Some of you have even taken me aside to talk to me about it, and you know who you are. In today's video, I'll be exposing the reasons that you're avoiding video for your business. The frightening truth that's really a bunch of hooey. Yeah, hooey. And I'll be asking you to join me for the 60-second video challenge that will jumpstart you and your business into the modern age. Let's get started. Okay, ready to go. Let's get started. Okay, frightening truth number 1. You're frightened of the camera. Yeah, I know, because I used to be frightened too. The only way to get over it is to just do it. Get in front of that camera and go for it. You think people will judge how you look and your expressions and how you speak. And they will. But your true fans and customers love you the way you are. That's why they come to you now for products and services. When they see more of you, they will feel like a part of your community and really start to show the love. People are searching for community today. That's why groups are so popular on Facebook. And your fans want that too. Okay, here's frightening truth number 2. You think because your looks aren't as perfect as a Kardashian that you shouldn't be on camera. Come on, you're watching me. Me! I'm about as far from a Kardashian as you can get. But you still watch me. Why? Because I have something to say that sparks the emotion inside you. That's what your customers and fans want. You have an expertise that they're needing. You know what you're doing, and they need to hear it. They want to hear it, and they want to hear it from you. I was watching Cher today on TV, and I noticed a couple of her mannerisms. A huge amount of people still love her, and she's not without on-camera problems, so you have nothing to fear. Frightening truth number 3. How the heck do you operate a camera? You don't know the technology to use the camera or the setup. Well, it's okay to admit you need help with tech stuff. I've learned a lot about it, but I am no expert. Still, you're so lucky because all of that is way more simple than it used to be. I mean, some of the best cameras are right on our phones. I'll bet you've used the video camera on your phone for other filming already. You maybe taped your dog doing some funny things when he runs around in the yard, or maybe you've shown the pretty flowers in your garden. Or I'll bet you recorded your husband snoring and you used it as blackmail, right? Oh, is that just me? Using the camera on your phone is the easiest way to film. You need something to hold the phone in place, not your hand. And you also need to learn to face into the light. That makes the video look totally pro. And the last thing you need is to use a microphone. Calm down, calm down. Mics are not scary. A video with poor quality sound will get turned off in about 2 seconds. Don't believe me? Check out some of my early stuff. Ew. Okay, frightening truth number 4. You are terrified to think you may have to edit your video. I'll never be able to do that. I literally just heard you screaming that in my head. Now come on. You operate a smartphone, a computer, your Bluetooth, and your car dashboard. Do you really think you can't learn a simple way to edit a little video? Of course you can. You don't have to do much editing. You're going to cut off a little at the beginning and a little at the end when you're turning on and off the camera. The rest you just let roll. And some of this you can do right on Facebook or YouTube when you upload it. Some of it can be done right on your phone. Okay, now on to the challenge. We're going to have a challenge, guys. It's called the 60-second challenge. For the next 5 days, I'm challenging you, you, to make a 60-second video and place it in the group. It doesn't have to be fancy. And I'll be giving you a topic for your video each day. No live broadcasts. I want you to film a 1-minute video using that day's challenge and then upload it into the group. At the end, I'll have a small prize for each person that gets me 5 videos. Are you up for it? I think you are. I can't wait to see your videos. Look, this is just so awesome. I'm in a group that does this every Friday, and I think I'd like to make it a weekly for us, but let's just get started on the easy. The videos, you don't have to do any editing. Don't worry about cutting out the part where you turn on and off the camera. Just send it raw, 60 seconds. And I'll be putting up a new topic for you each day to guide your video. Just a 1-minute video. I know you can do it. And it's in our private group, so no one else can see it. And I just know it's going to be great fun, and it'll give you confidence. Okay, guys, I'm out of here. And yeah, you're going to be seeing a little more of me in the coming time. Hopefully, my personal stuff has calmed down a little bit. I have had to cut back my schedule probably permanently for quite a while, considering the way my mom's health is and my sister's health. But it's okay. I'm still going to be here. I'm going to be around. The group is really one of my main focuses. So let's keep doing this great stuff together. I really love it. Okay, I'm going to see you tomorrow. 1-minute videos.